Let's sanitize our hands. Professor Vishal Bhutekar, second year medical student of the Medical School Foundation, and I am in charge of taking your abdominal examination. The importance of this examination is I will get the diagnosis like acute cholecystitis and appendicitis. And for this examination, I need like identifying data from you. Is it okay if I ask the questions?
Okay.
Unsai mung pagalan sir?
Prathamesh.
Ilai mung ida?
21 year old.
21. Unsai mung trabaho?
Student.
Unsai mung religion?
Hindu.
Asa kanak puyo?
Casaliza.
Namin nyo ba?
Single.
Single. Okay. I will tell the importance of this. I told already. Then I will tell the what are the steps in this examination. I will go with the Murphy's sign for the acute cholecystitis. Then I will assess the appendicitis. Then I will go with the Rosen signs for the appendicitis. And then next will be the SOAS sign and next obturator sign. Is it okay if you start the examination?
Okay.
Okay. The first step in the examination will be you have to lie down supine in supine position, and I will keep the pillow below your head and second pillow below your knee. Okay. For this examination, I have to expose your abdomen. I will expose this abdomen up to the episternal area. Okay. And here up to the pelvic brim. Okay. Now we will start with the Murphy's sign. For the Murphy's sign, I will use my right hand and I will give the pressure over the lower costal area or this area, and you have to take deep breath at that time. Okay. Do you feel any pain?
No.
In case if the patient feels pain, that is a positive sign, means Murphy's sign is positive. It will indicate the acute cholecystitis. The next step will be assessing for the appendicitis. For assessing appendicitis, first you have to tell whether the pain is there in this area or not.
Okay.
Can you tell the pain?
No.
No pain.
No.
Can you cough for me? Do you feel pain over any side? No pain. Okay. As per this assessing for the appendicitis, there is no pain noted over here. So this is the negative sign. So the next step will be Rosen sign. As we are proceeding with the Rosen sign, I will palpate the left lower area and I will give the pressure, and you have to tell where you will feel the pain. Okay? I will start the examination. Take deep breath. Okay. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Do you feel any pain? No. If in case there is a positive Rosen sign, if the patient feels pain over the right lower quadrant, that is appendicitis, and then we will go with the SOAS sign. In the SOAS sign, I will gonna give the resistance with my hand over your knee, and you have to give the resistance to me again backwards. So we will proceed with this examination. Okay, I will give the pressure. Do you feel any pain over your abdomen?
No.
No? Okay. In case if you feel the pain over the right lower quadrant, that is positive sign for the appendicitis. The next step will be you have to lie down over your left side. So I will proceed with the next examination. Next step. Okay. For this you have to extend your leg. Okay. And I will flex the leg at the hip joint. Okay. And you have to tell whether you will feel the pain or not. Okay. Do you feel pain?
No.
Do you feel any pain over abdomen?
No.
Okay. You can lie down in supine position. As per this examination, you don't feel any pain over your right lower quadrant. That is no appendicitis or SOAS sign is negative. So the next step will be obturator sign. For the obturator sign, I will go with the next procedure. That will be you have to bend your thigh at the hip joint, and I will rotate the leg internally. Okay, we will proceed with this examination. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay, you can keep. So if in case there is pain over the right lower quadrant, that is a positive sign for the obturator. So as for this case, there is no positive sign, it is negative sign we got. So you can dress your Okay. So we did the five steps like Murphy's sign, then assessing for the appendicitis, then Rousing sign. Everything was negative. Then we did the Sauer sign and obturator sign. And I will summarize the everything. You are Prathamesh Hindi, 21-year-old, living in Kasaliza. You are student and you are not married. And we did the abdominal examination on you, and there are no problems noted like acute cholecystitis and appendicitis. You have any further questions?
No.
In case if you have any questions or if you feel any pain, you can consult to a doctor. Thank you.
you.